My name is Gabriel Kojo Osafu, and we'll be looking at how to navigate Sakai. So, when you search Sakai on your web browser, it gives you a interface where you'd be allowed to log in using your student ID as your username and then your PIN as your password. When you log in on Sakai, it's first you to the Home tab, which gives you the overview of Sakai, where you can access your calendar and some notifications as well. We also have the site tab, which shows all courses that you've registered that have reflected. We have the notification tab, which is used to access all notifications on the course, notifications on assignments, and quizzes as well. We also have the profile tab, where you can manage your preferences, view your profile, change the theme of Sakai to a light mode or a dark mode, and you can log out using the profile tab as well. We also have the tool box, which also gives other tools such as the resource tools, where resource materials of a particular course is being uploaded. We have the announcements tool. We also have the website setup. We have the preferences tool. And on the toolbox, we also have the respective course where you can pin and unpin a course. So when you click on the site tab, as I said earlier, it shows the courses that you've registered that are reflected. When you click on the course code from the site tab, it sends you to the home overview of that particular course where you can access information on. You can also access announcements from the home overview interface of that particular course. And from the toolbox, you can access other hidden tools like the lesson tool, we have the calendar tool, we also have the announcement tool for announcements on the courses, resources tool where materials and resources of the course is uploaded. We also have the discussion tool. So we have the assignment tool where assignments and assessments given are uploaded. You can also access your assessments and your examinations when they are uploaded on Sakai using the test and quizzes tool. And we also have one vital tool, which is the gradebook. The gradebook tool helps you to access your raw score after every assignment, assessment, and examination. We also have the site info. The site info is the tool that enables you to get information about a particular course. So, courses where you are to join a group, you would use the site information tool to join the group from Sakai. We also have the email tool, which allows you to send mails via Sakai to your colleagues and your lecturers as well. This is where we end you for today. Thank you. Once again, the name is Gabriel Kojo Usafu. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.